This is what exactly you see in those recent posts. We were called upon to offer internet extension service. Why internet extension? In this apartment, internet was already installed by some service provider, that was Savanah. Now there are other service providers, MTN, Airtel, Zuku, Fibrenet and others, and they have different packages. Yes. So this is how we helped this manager limit expenses as regards to internet. Now this was Savanah, this is their call. So this is our apartment now. This is our apartment. This is our apartment. We had apartment 1, 2, 3, apartment 4, apartment 5, apartment 6, apartment 7, apartment 8, apartment 9. But of course here there was a blockage. Okay. Yes. Now when they called upon Savanah, Savanah came and placed their main route in apartment 5. Now when they pressed their main route in apartment 5, the signals could serve apartment 5 very well in every corner. These signals, of course, this is a brokerage, this is a brokerage, this is a brokerage, this is another brokerage. Okay, so the signals are affected. They will transfer to apartment 9, but not to every part of the apartment, likewise to 6, 3, 2 and 8, but they couldn't cross this other big brokerage to reach apartment 1, apartment 1, apartment 7. Now this is the solution that we came up with: internet extension. So we had to bring our device here, another device here, another device here, another device here, another device here. Now these are boosters, internet boosters, internet extenders. Simply, so they extend the internet. They will pick the signals broadcasted by this main router in apartment 5. So this booster here will boost now the signals from apartment 5 and serve apartment 2 entirely. The same applies to a booster in 3, a boost in 6, a boost in 9 and a boost in 8. So we got all those apartments well served with the internet. Now there's another challenge here. These signals cannot reach 1, 4 and 7 because there was a big blockage here which separates these apartments from these other ones on the right. Now we had to run a cable that picks internet directly from the main router and run it, okay, run it down. So that cable had to run from the main router, move it down now to apartment 4. So we made apartment 4 our server for apartment 7 and the apartment 1. Now we had to press another booster here. Of course this one will will serve 4 entirely, but it will not serve apartment 1 and 7 entirely. What we did, we had to place another booster here, another booster here, so it will boost signals in 7 well. Remember, these are different clients and each client will need a good service. Okay, they will need a service that they are paying for. So this is what we achieved at the end. So in this case, you limit expenses. Remember, this installation or this extension is done once. All you have to continue doing is paying. Remember, Savanah has 67 and starter package 115. This of course different speeds, 20 Mbps, 50 Mbps. So you can adjust the package depending on the experience that the clients will be getting. If the internet is okay at 67, that is 20 Mbps, that is well. If it is okay at 50 Mbps, you adjust. But initially they had different installations of different internet service providers in different apartments. Even if you're subscribing at 67 for each apartment times 9, that is a lot of money. But if you subscribe at maybe 50 Mbps or even more at a single installation, then you boost those signals to different apartments, you save a lot. So basically, this is the solution we gave this client, and it has entirely worked for him so well.